Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, still Friday, September the 23rd, 2022. We have three puzzles left. The first puzzle I've already solved, the 2-star Sudoku. We have three puzzles left, the Sudoku with 4 stars. I will start this in a minute in a minute. And the other two puzzles are the binary puzzle and the tectonic. Tectonic with 4 stars, yes. But first, we'll start with the 4-star Sudoku number 5221. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 24 printed digits. One less than the previous Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 1, 2. We have here 2 threes. 2 threes, 3 fours, 4 fives. All right. 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 4 eights. All right. 2 nines. So the 5s and 8s are a majority. Can we start with the 5 and 8s? Let me see. 8, 8. Yes. No. 8, 8. 8, 8. No. 8, 8. No. 8. Well, will be difficult. 5, 5. Yeah, 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 in these 2 boxes here. 5 in the first column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in the first column. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about 8? Yeah. 8. 4. Still thinking for 4. Yeah. 9. I think I need a pair. We need pairs. 7, 7. 7 and a 6 in this row. 7 and a 6 in a row below. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in the last column. So no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 and the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4, 8 goes there. Wait. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. I'm thinking. 9, 9, 9. 4, 4. 4, 4. Ah. Well. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column. In the second column. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4. Alright. 5, 5. 8, 8. Come on. The 3 in this row, overlooked. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3. Okay. 6, 6. No, 6 in this column. Overlooked again. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 7, 7. 9 and the 2. Alright. 6, 6. Yeah, we have a pair again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have a 6 and an 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 and 8 in the third column. So no 6 and 8 in those 3 boxes. These 3 boxes. So the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Alright. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this third column, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1, 2, 9, 9, 9. Okay, 1, 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, with 1 and a 9 in this column. So no 1 and 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 82. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. 2, 2, 2. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. 8, 8. 8. Yeah, 8, 3, and 8, 3. We have 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be there. Oh, we already have a 2. Oh, what a mistake, what a mistake. Yeah. Not concentrated, not concentrated. Apologies. 8, 8. 8. 8 and a 3. Yeah. 3, 3, 3. Ay. Come on. 7, 9. 5 in the last row. 5 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 in the first row. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, okay. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. Wait. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in that box. The 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 here in the third row. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 8 in this row, third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row. First row for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1, 1. 4. Yes, we have a pair. The 1 and the 4 in this column. The 1 and the 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in the middle column for the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. Here we have the 1, 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then the 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. can I count, and all the threes are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Oh, 1 and a 4. Overlook this 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now I can count, and all the 4s are used. I can see. There's no 3, number 4. Wait. Three missing numbers in this column. I believe the 7 and 6. But we need also an 8 in this column. The 8. Here can it be an 8? We have an 8 in this big square. No 8 there, so the 8 could be here or there. You see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. So the 7 and the 6 are left. I cannot fill this yet. 7 and a 9 and the 6. 7, 9, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 8, 6. Well, we have a 8 and a 6. We have an 8 already in the set column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair also in this column. So what are the other pair in this big square? The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and 7. The 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column B3, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column. Here we have a 7 and a 6. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 7 and the 6, the 8, the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. 1, okay. 1 and the 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now in the first column. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 6, we have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 90 minutes again. Wow. Almost the same as the previous Sudoku, 90 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this again a 2 stars. Because I'm faster than 20 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.